Standard 2nd English, Chapter number 8, Grandma's Party. Continue from read the lesson aloud, means it is on the page number 79 in a textbook. So open a textbook while you are watching this video, and first question is given in the read the lessons aloud. First question is, Alka's parents are not at home. Where do you think they are? So you have to give your own answer. Here I am telling that Alka's parents must have gone to attend a party. Okay. Second number, what do you like to drink on a hot summer day? So whatever you like to drink, that you have to write. Here I am writing, I would like to drink lemonade or lassi on a hot summer day. Okay. Now multiple choice question. Take the correct answer in each. So first is, who is cutting the lemon? Option is given Alka, Seema and Grandma. So correct answer is Grandma. Grandma is cutting the lemons. Second number, who is opening the fridge? Atul, Alka or Seema? So answer will come Alka. Who is helping Alka? Seema, Manish or Atul? Answer will come Atul. Atul is helping Alka. Who want to put water in the ice tray? Manish, Alka or Seema? Answer will come Seema. In written form, read and answer. Fill in the blanks given. The children are in dash house. Whose house? Alka's house. All the children are at Alka's house. So answer will come Alka's. Grandma wants to drink something dash and dash. So Grandma wants to drink something sweet and cold. Now continue, read and answer. On page number 80 it is given second number. So question is given, where are grandma and children working? So answer will come, grandma and the children are working in the kitchen. Again I am repeating, grandma and the children are working in the kitchen. Second number, who said I want a whole jug? Answer will come, Manish said I want a whole jug. Again I am repeating, Manish said I want a whole jug. Fourth number, what surprise does grandma have for the children? Answer will come, grandma has a jar of cookies to surprise the children. Again I am repeating, grandma has a jar of cookies to surprise the children. Think and answer. Think and answer is on page number 80. First question is, why does grandma want something cold to drink? Answer will come, grandma wants something cold to drink because she is very thirsty. Again I am repeating, grandma wants something cold to drink because she is very thirsty. Second number, why does Seema say, what a greedy boy you are? Again I am repeating, why does Seema say, what a greedy boy you are? Seema say so because Manish want a whole jug of lemonade. Because Manish want a whole jug of lemonade. What is grandma doing? Look at the picture and answer. So question is here, what is grandma doing? Look at the picture and answer. So in first picture you can see that what she is doing, she is cutting the lemon. So first answer will come, she is cutting the lemon. Okay. Now second number question it is there, and it is what she is doing. So in second number, she is squeezing the lemon. You can see in the picture that she is squeezing the lemon. And third is, she is holding a jar of cookies. You can see jar is in her hand and she had hold. Okay. So in first one will come, she is cutting the lemon. Second means grandma is cutting the lemon. Second, she is squeezing the lemon. And third, she is holding a jar of cookies. Okay. So all that answer I have written here. Grandma is cutting the lemon. In second picture you can say that she is squeezing the lemon. And in third, She is holding a jar of cookies. Okay. So in third number you have to write this point. Okay. Now why do the children say, Grandma, you are great? The children say so because Grandma is giving another party the next day. I am repeating the same answer. The grandma says so because Grandma is giving another party the next day.